Hey, what's going on, Trap Watchers? Today is October the 3rd, 2021. Riot blockchain stock prediction. Riot stock appears poised for a rally. Check it out from the price chart. I mean, the price has been going down in Riot. I mean, I'll give you that. I mean, we're not surprised. We expected it. But now, can we see this particular market go up? Check this out. I got you. We're going to talk about the price prediction in Riot blockchain. We're going to make sure that you and I are both in position so that we can capitalize and profit from the markets. This is what we do. We make sure that we dominate this space. We're not here making anything confusing. We don't show you any technical indicators because it's garbage. We don't even talk about fundamental analysis because guess what? It's garbage. The only thing that matters is what you and I are both willing to buy and sell these stocks for. That is the only thing that matters. Everything else is hypothetical. So when you look at the price chart, this is actually everyone's belief. Whoever participated in Riot blockchain, this is what their expectations were, because when people actually place money down on the table, you cannot pick it back up. The transaction is done, it's recorded, so you cannot go back and say, let me get a redo, can I get a refund? Not in the stock market. Once you into play, you're in the play. So this is literally everyone's basis and ideas as to what they think about Riot stock, about what their expectations were. So you guys can see from our last video, which was on September the 8th in Riot, we told you all, hey, it looked like the price is going to go down. And it did. Look at it. Right here. The market grabbed our ultimate TP price right there on September 28th. So we did a price prediction on the 7th. And then on September 28th, the market hit it. Right there. Now, let me get rid of it because that's done. That is over. We need to be predictors. So check this out. You guys can tell. Look at my two lines on the chart. Just look at them. What has the price been doing in Riot blockchain recently? So now, since we are down here around $24, what would be your expectations? You expect the market to come up, right? Of course. So that is our current mind frame. We're going to expect the price to bounce off of $24. As long as that's the case, then we're expecting the market to jump. I mean, it's just that simple. We've been on a downtrend in the Riot blockchain since August. Here we are in October, a whole 30 days, 31 days. The market in Riot blockchain has been coming down right there to the area that we identified as support, $24. Now, seeing that we are close to the market in Riot blockchain around $24, we need to extend it, okay? Because this is going to be very important as to where price is going to go. We know as long as price in the Riot blockchain is able to trade above $24, we're going to go up. Plain and simple, right? Now, we're in a downtrend. Our restriction area is all the way up here around 40. Do you think that is still applicable, or should we lower it down here? What do you think? I'm gonna keep it at 40. Okay. Now, we are not in an upward trend in the market in the Riot blockchain, right? This was the trend. Okay. We broke that. This was also a trend in the market in Riot blockchain. Let me make this cleaner so you all can visually see it better. So can you guys see that? This was one trend. The market in Riot was trading alongside of the center line. We broke out, came back down, and then we broke it. Okay. This is the second area trend that the market in Riot blockchain was going through. Right there. Okay. Let me draw it. The market was in a massive bullish up run, came all the way back down, broke it. Again, we're not in an upward trend then as this particular moment. So the best thing that we can get out this space in Riot blockchain is for it to maintain this consolidational range. So I really want to re-emphasize how important $24 is going to be. It's going to be real important. If the market cannot hold $24, guess what? We're going to come all the way back down to 20, then all the way back down to 16. See, I'm already prepping our minds to expect the unexpected, because once the price breaks below $24, you're going to see a whole lot of videos and audios about Riot blockchain and tell you why it crashed and what's really going on in the market in Riot. No, we need to be forward thinkers. So I'm already prepping our mind into stating, well, if it breaks 24, then we already know 2016 is going to be the next spot. So we won't be surprised. We won't be acting erratically once it occurs, right? So now let's see this though, because we need to see what is the prospect of the price in Riot blockchain breaking $24 to the downside. How likely is that to occur? Let's see. Let's look at this on the weekly time frame. Okay, this is the weekly time frame in Riot blockchain, and so far the market is not extremely weak. It's not. For us to really expect the price to break $24 to the downside, it's not really being revealed on the weekly time frame. Cool. What about on the monthly? This is the monthly time frame. Now, if we're not seeing it on a weekly time frame, but we're seeing weakness and the prospect of it breaking 24 on a monthly time frame, we at least have to allow the next 30 days, the next month time frame, to allow this market to move down, because we're not seeing it on the weekly time frame just yet. But right here on the monthly perspective, man, that is something that we can definitely see occur in Riot blockchain. Look at last month. Look at September. We saw the market price in Riot blockchain trade all the way up there at $38.71 only to close at $25.70. Now, that shows us that the market is weak. It is. What about in the 3 months? Again, this is still indication that the market here in Riot blockchain is weak. We have to be prepared for the market to go down, because the market is not hinting that it wants to go up as of this particular moment. We haven't seen a change occur yet. And until we see a change occur, we have to continue to follow the trend. And currently the trend is down. All right, so check this out. Simple. I think we got the market weakness that we're expecting to occur in Riot blockchain, right? Okay. Now, we're expecting the market to go down. We're not expecting the market in a Riot blockchain to go on a rally. Not yet. Okay. Now, the areas that we're going to continue to allow this market to go down is $32, right? If we don't ever see the price in Riot blockchain break above $32 into the future, we understand that we're going to continue to expect the price to go down. Okay. Now, the areas that we would see the market try to prop up price would be right here. First area is 24. I told you that. We've already identified that we can see this market price prop up itself right there. So we might need to come in and eat out the market. Take the bag right there at 7.5% profitability in Riot blockchain. Okay, right there. Now, the second area of us looking for the price in Riot blockchain to come down to would be down towards 20. Okay, maybe a little bit higher than 20. Not exactly at $20, maybe a little bit higher. All right, $21, give or take. But that would be the second area. Third area will be all the way down here towards $17.45. Now, I'm not seeing that yet, so I'm going to bring it back up to around 20 as to where we're looking for the price to go. Now, let's say that the price in Riot blockchain does in fact break 24. Again, we already know that we're in a downtrend automatically. We already know that. So let's not be caught off guard when the price breaks 24 to the downside. All right. So that's it. This is our updated price prediction in Riot blockchain. I'm not seeing a rally. I'm seeing a downtrend occur in this particular stock as of this particular moment. Now, if anything changes, like I said, we'll come through and update you all as to what change occur, because preferably around 24, right? This will definitely come in and make us alter our current prediction into the market in Riot. All right. So that's it. Now, I'm done. It's your turn now. I want you all to drop me a comment right now and tell me, where are you all expecting Riot blockchain to go for the month of October? Let me know. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and as always, trade different.